Sorry, I have muted myself. Yeah. So I think everyone can see here, no? In the first row, Srikanth, since you are having doubt, that's the reason I'm asking you. In the first row, how many cells are in series? Yes, how many cells are in series? How many cells are in series in the first row? Is it 2 cells, 3 cells, or how? Is there any cells in series? Yes, 2. Correct. 2 cells are in series. So similarly, in the second row, we got 2 cells. Third row, 2 cells. But totally, how many combinations are in parallel here? 1, 2, and 3. Correct? What is a parallel combination of cells? Parallel combination of cells is what? 3. Do you agree with me? There are these series cells are in parallel with these things. So there are how many a parallel combination of cells? Is it 3 or 2? Parallel combination. Yes, you agree with me. Perfect. 3. Correct? Yes. So what I discussed previously was the matrix. Matrix in the sense, if I want you to teach you what is a matrix, if I'm writing here 1, 2, 3, again I'm writing it 3, 4, 5. Correct? Here there are 2 rows and 3 columns. Correct? 2 rows, 2 rows and 3 columns. This is my first column, second column, third column. 2 rows and 3 columns. Okay, fine. Okay, so in this case, how many rows are there? 1, 2, and 3. How many columns are there? First column, second column. My next question is, are my columns and are my rows and columns equal? In the sense, how many rows are here? 1, 2, and 3. How many columns are here? 1, 2. Are they equal here? They are not equal because 2 and 3 are not equal. They are not same. Correct? Yes. So for series, yes. Not equal. Yes. So what I will do is, I'll write down here. For series, I'll take what? N number of cells in series. For parallel, I take M number of cells. Because in all the cases, it cannot be equal. So that's the reason I'm using a different variable. So for series of this first row, what is my series? And everything has got an internal resistance, okay? Everything has got internal resistance of small r. So what is my series resistance? In the first row, it is what? NR. Do you agree with me? Do you agree with me? Yes. Perfect. But in the parallel combination of cells, you can just see when we discussed only about parallel combination of cells, we took it as what? R by N. Did you take it as R by N in only the parallel combination of cells? You can see the notebook. Did you take it as R by N? Because I want your honest answer. Yeah. If you don't know this, let me know that also. R by N. Correct? So I have to divide this by what? I have to divide this NR by what? N itself, because in the previous thing I derived it as N. But if I do it as N, which means rows and columns are equal, but I'm saying that the rows and columns may not be equal. That's the reason I'm using a different variable called M, NR by M. But if I wrote N, which means it is equal. So that's the reason I'm using here M number of cells, not N number of cells, because they need not be the same. Now, what is my I here? I is equal to V by R. Correct? Yes. V is nothing but what? E. N E. N number of N. What EMF in series? N E by what is my R? This R plus this answer, NR by M. Now, are you clear? This is NR by M. NR in the sense, this NR is small r, okay, not capital R. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, excellent. So that's how you have to take here. Clear? Simple as that.